Welcome back. Now, it's important to note that payments that you make to Anthropic through the API are going to be different from the payment that you may be making to have access to the Claude AI chatbot. If you have paid for the Claude AI chatbot, you may approach certain projects in a different way. If we were to go and start a project, you're going to start the process by clicking Create Project. You're going to give your project a name. You can then click Create Project. That's going to bring you to the project creation interface. Now, one of the things you're going to notice is that you can set your custom instructions. If you're going to have a role or standard system information, this is a good place for you to write that information in. Once you write in your custom instructions, you can save the instructions. And what you'll notice is that you can add a knowledge. Now, knowledge will be the information that Claude will use in order to structure its answers to you. So where you may have uploaded content to the chatbot in a conversation, in this case, we can make it so that Claude will always interact with that content. To do that, you're going to go to the Add Content area. You can upload the content from your device. And in this case, instead of uploading 5 documents at a time, we're going to upload all of our content here in this area. And one of the things you'll notice is that we can still add more content if we want that content to be relevant to Claude's answers. And so once you have your information inside of the product knowledge, you can then structure a prompt based on the custom instructions and that knowledge. Once you have it, you can then click Enter, and you'll see Claude interact. And what's happening in the background is that Claude is interacting based on the information that you have uploaded. Now, projects are only part of the Pro plan. And as of the recording of this video, this really is the only feature over and above faster models that Claude is offering as part of the Pro plan. However, the workflow in the Pro plan allows you to deliver a more helpful result in a faster way. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I'll see you either in another video or in another course.